we're back. I wanted to do another little chit-chat session. And today we are going to talk about our bucket list, which is so full. But we've got some top, 5 or 6 places that we would really like to go see. So what's your number one?
My number one is actually the Grand Tetons. I love them. I love the beauty of the mountains. Watched a lot of videos on people going to the Grand Tetons, and I'm just itching to go. I know that'll be a little bit in the future for us, but yeah, that's definitely the number one on my bucket list to go.
Okay, and then my number one probably is the Oregon coast, because I've seen a ton of videos and pictures and this and that, and I just think that the Pacific looks so pretty out there. The way it's always smashing on these rocks, and I just think it's gorgeous, and Oregon looks like it's probably a very pretty state, and I'd like to actually see it with my own eyes. Now, that being said, we would also like to see
the Redwood Forest.
Right. And so if we were to go and do the Oregon coast, then we would definitely hit the redwoods on the way, because that's something else. You've got those iconic pictures of those people standing inside of these big giant trees, and or cars. I think there's like a little tunnel thing, they made out of a tree for cars to drive through. That's just awesome. So, you can see how big they are, but I don't think you probably realize the magnitude of how large they are without seeing it with your own eyes.
Well, being from Missouri, we do have trees, and some pretty big trees. But I want to see, because they say obviously them are the biggest, and I want to see the comparison, and it's beautiful up there. It really is. So
So if we do my bucket list number one of going to Oregon coast, we will definitely hit redwoods along the way somehow, somewhere. This one, I think this is gorgeous. I've seen, a lot of videos, and, one of the channels that we follow has actually been there recently. But I'm going to say this is more of probably your.
Oh, yeah. I want to go to Glacier National Park. For the same reasons as the Grand Tetons. It's just beautiful up there, and we've never been that far north, and since we've been traveling, and because we did a lot of traveling actually before we had a camper, and before YouTube was even a thing, or
at least a thing for us,
right? And I kind of wish we was been into that thing, because when the kids were small, we did a lot of vacation, and we went all over the country. And unfortunately, we couldn't record none of it because we wasn't into that then. But anyways, yeah, we've never been that far north. So I want to go up there. I want to see the mountains and all that stuff. So, because that's my thing. So. Yeah.
And then, well, I don't know. I think this one's probably more yours too. The Big Bend.
Yes.
Or Big Bend. I don't think it's the Bend.
Right. Well, we love Texas. We go to Texas a lot. Not because it's just close, but it's just, we like Texas. So we was down there before YouTube, and did some vacationing down there when the kids were small. And
then obviously we went, a few months ago to Magnolia Beach and stuff in Texas. And
so we want to continue to explore Texas.
There's a lot there to explore.
Right. And, so. Watching videos, and Big Bend always comes up. So I definitely want to go down there and see all that. And so it kind of sounds like I'm the only one on the bucket list here. You have some say in it.
Well, I think one of my bigger bucket list ones is Acadia in Maine, and just kind of Maine in general, because I'd like to be able to see the ocean on that side. We've been to Florida, but we were on Pensacola Beach side. We have never actually made it all the way to the actual East Coast. So Maine, for me, I really like lighthouses, and I like to take pictures, and I think, I could probably get some awesome pictures. And I really like seafood, so I think that would, I know, and then often you'd base your vacation around food, but no, I'm
I've
sure.
been known to do that before.
Yeah, well, I mean, we, don't really have the fresh seafood restaurants. We
We
get,
have the freshly shipped to us.
yeah,
seafood,
so, I would really like to go try actual awesome seafood, and I just think Maine would be really neat place to visit. And, the Acadia kind of, falls into his favorite type stuff too. So, I think that would be a cool trip. So that's kind of a bucket list one for me. And then the last one, I think, it's kind of both of us because, I've watched a lot of videos, on YouTube channels that's been out already to Utah. Who knew? I mean, us being here in the middle of the country, I didn't realize how much until we really started following a lot of these YouTube channels is in Utah. And how gorgeous that state is, and in a different way, because it's not all this forest or mountain area. You've got these cool rocks and the rock formations and the colors and
arches.
And the windows, the rock windows. I think those are so cool. And of course, when I'm watching videos, from people that are there or have been there, I'm thinking, oh man, that'd be a great, photo shot right there, but yeah.
Well, I kind of want to go out there besides the beauty, but I used to watch a lot of John Wayne westerns, and a lot of that was shot out there in Monument Valley and stuff. So, that's kind of the stuff I'd be like, oh yeah, he rode his horse right by here, but I'm a John Wayne guy, so that's kind of, besides the beauty and, the fact that we've haven't been to Utah yet. That does factor into it also. So.
Yeah, so that's definitely a bucket list trip, I think, for both of us. Maybe not for the same reasons, but
hey, whatever.
But yeah, I think Utah would be awesome. But generally when we take a trip somewhere, we try to cram as much, because like that, we're just the anytimers or whatever you want to call it, so we,
for now,
yeah, so we try to cram as much as we can in. So we'll map it out, and if we're going to be going through, oh well, let's stop and go to that, oh well, let's stop and go to that, so we can get as much as we can in. And I feel like Utah, that will be the trip. There will be no other. It's going to take the whole time that we have, because there's just so much there. So, that one, hopefully not in the distant future, maybe nearer distant future. But yeah, that's for sure one. But there's honestly so many places, there's a lot of little places too. These are more of the bigger, I think, for us, big trips. But there's a lot of little places that we haven't been that we would like to go see. And, we're not really all that far from the Great Lakes area. And, we have seen Lake Michigan on more of the Chicago side. But, there's a lot up there, that I would like to go visit and see. And, so,
the Carolinas, I don't think we've been through Washington D.C. and stuff, but we didn't go on further south. We were heading back. That was on the last leg of another vacation, and we've never really seen any of the Carolinas. So that's something that I'd like to see. Obviously want to see the ocean part of over there. As you can tell, we do live in a landlocked state, so seeing the ocean is a pretty big thing for us.
And like I said, our bucket's really full. There's just main large places that I think want to probably try to knock out sooner rather than later. And if we can fit some of those, what we consider smaller trips, into the middle of these bigger trips that we would be taking, then great. So there is a lot of other on our list, but these were our main big ones that we just thought we would, share with you. And, if you've got any comments or questions or whatever, just, let us know down below, and we'll get back with you, and maybe you got some tips or places that maybe you think we should definitely check
on the way.
Yeah,
anything.
I mean, sure, there's a lot of things on the way to Maine. That's going to be a long trip. But yeah, so just hey, if you got something that you think we should stop and check out, by all means leave us a comment, because we'll look into it. Maybe something we want to stop and see. You never know.
There's always a lot of hidden gems out there.
Oh yeah,
so that's one thing we
and not everybody puts it on YouTube,
right? And we don't want to drive by and not know it was there, and then get back home and go, oh.
Yeah, which we've done that.
Yes,
we've actually done that.
We've
had that happen. Yeah,
but it's usually because we're in a hurry to get where we're going, because we do have a limited amount of time.
Right.
That's the only bad part.
So, yep. But anyway, so we're glad you're with us and watching, and we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.